Anderson hits 1,100 times in the police computer. Now Anderson with Black is still over 100, but this guy, Aaron Anderson, grew up near the Alameda. Anything on the CE?
Baltimore County is also working him.
Let me guess. Kilpatrick.
No doubt.
That fucking Mick has his hand in everything.
Powerful network like HBO, and they not only casted me as Gordon Hawk, they picked up one of my songs. I submitted 3 songs. Out of those 3 songs, they picked one of them, Know the Feeling. Just to go from, okay, you're getting paid as an actor, but hey, we need to negotiate Trey Chaney, the artist. This is a business. You know, I'm a business now.
You get it, man.
100 racks, 100 stacks, 100 bands. Watch her hit the floor and do her money dance. We don't gotta care